Hello everyone, this is Urvashi and welcome back to my channel Copy in the Bag. In today's video, I will be talking about the national symbols of India. This is an important topic of the GK section and it comes in competitive exams. So, please watch the video till the end, and if you like my video and if you are new to my channel, you can subscribe. So now, without any further delay, let's begin. The first thing which we'll talk about is National Flag of India. It contains three colors: saffron at the top, white in the middle and green at the bottom in equal proportion. And there is Ashok Chakra in the middle with 24 spokes. Color of Ashok Chakra is navy blue, and the design of national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India on 22nd July 1947. The next comes State Emblem of India. You can see in the picture. Now, it is an adaptation from the Sarnath lion capital of Ashoka, and this emblem was officially adopted on 26th January 1950. Next comes the National Anthem of India. We all know the National Anthem of India is Jan Gan Man, and it is originally composed in Bengali by Rabindranath Tagore. Now, the complete song consists of 5 stanzas, and the playing time of this full version is approximately 52 seconds. This national anthem was adopted in its Hindi version on 24th January 1950. Next comes our national song of India, that is Vande Mataram. It was composed in Sanskrit by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, and it was a source of inspiration to the people in their freedom of struggle. It has an equal status with Jan Gan Man, and this song was a part of Bankim Chandra's most famous novel, that is Anand Math. Next is our national flower of India. We all know that is lotus. It is a sacred flower and it occupies a unique position in the art and methodology of ancient India, and it has been an auspicious symbol of Indian culture as well. Next is our national fruit of India. We all know that is mango. Now let's talk about the national bird of India. It is Indian peacock, or you can say blue peacock. Here comes our national animal of India, that is Bengal tiger, adopted in April 1973. The largest carnivore is found only in Indian subcontinent. Here comes national heritage animal of India, that is Indian elephant, declared on 22nd October 2010 by the Environment Ministry of India. Now comes the national aquatic animal of India, that is Gangetic dolphin, declared on 5th October. River dolphin is locally known also as Sihu. Now we'll talk about national tree of India. We all know that is banyan tree, adopted in 1950. Then there is national river of India, that is River Ganga. It was declared on 4th November 2008. The Ganga is the longest river of India, flowing over 2510 kilometers, and it originates in the snowfields of Gangotri Glacier in the Himalayas as Bhagirathi River. You all can see in this picture, this is a picture of River Ganga. Next comes our national currency of India, that is Indian rupee. The Indian rupee symbol is derived from Devanagari constant and the Latin letter R. It was adopted in 2010. Thanks for watching.